Hi guys, Winnie here. In this video we're going to draw a baby chick, so let's get started. To draw this baby chick, we're going to first start by drawing a little tuft of feathers on top of its head. So right here I'm going to start by drawing 3 little curves. So just draw them however you like, maybe one taller one and then a shorter one. So just 3 of them, and then from there we're just going to bring it all around for this big dumpling shape head that I always give to all my Draw So Cute animals. So I'm just going to bring it down more and nice and wide towards the cheek area. Just keep going and round it off. So it's going to be a huge head for this baby chick. And I'm going to start to bring it together right here. And I'm not going to close it off. I'm going to leave it open so it's not so harsh. And so from there, let's come down here. I'm going to draw the little body first. So then about in this area, centered wise, I'm going to come about right here. I'll give myself a point on both sides. And then I'm just going to bring down a little curve. It's a very simplified body, and I'm just going to round it off and connect it. There. Okay, so then from there, let's bring this little chick to life. I'm going to come in the center about right here, and I'm going to draw the beak. So I'm going to come about right here and draw a curve and connect it. Of a soften out V. There. And then I'm going to come to the side and draw the eyes. So in this area about right here towards the edge, I'm just going to draw a big circle. Oops. And another circle on this side. So once again towards the edge. There. And then let's make them Draw So Cute eyes. So I'm going to come in here with 2 small circles for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And the lines at the bottom. So same thing on this side, 2 small circles for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom. So there. Now let's come back up right here, and we're just going to give a little curve on top of each eye to anchor our eyes. And then from there, let's come and give some details to the body. So about in this area, I'm just going to draw a curve for indication of the wing. So on both sides, just a little curve. And you can come in here if you want and just add kind of like a softened little W curve to give some details to the feathers. And then we'll come in here and draw little feet. So it's just 3 curves connected. And over here. And let's see here. And because it is a Draw So Cute little baby chick, I'm going to add a little heart right here, of course, right? Okay, so that is pretty much it for our baby chick here. I made the head a little too conish. But let's see here. He's out. This little baby chick is outside, so I'm going to give it some grass on the sides. And of course, Gotta give it some dandelions. And he loves to peck on little things, right? So on the bottom right here, you can just draw some little ovals and circles here and there just to give him something to peck on. So there, all done. I hope you found this little baby chick super cute and easy to draw. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please give me a thumbs up and share it, and remember to subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.